Today, I decided to make that Picklewich that I've been seeing all over TikTok, and they said that Jimmy John's has it. I don't know if they still have it, but I feel like making it at home because I like pickles and I like sandwiches, and I don't really like carbs all like that. So I'm trying to be sexy. You know what time it is? It's the end of the year, even though I've been working on it since way before then because we work on our goals way before the end of the year. We don't wait until New Year's to start our goals. We do it before. So we like big pickles over this way, but we had to settle for this average size pickle, this marriage ready pickle. Oh, it's actually kind of sorry, it's been a while.
I haven't had no sex.
Yay. I'm making me and my mom a sandwich. What we supposed to do is take out the middle. My spoon bigger than the pickle. Embarrassing. I wonder if there's a way I can do this cute so that I can still use it inside the pickle because, oh my God, look at all those juices. I wish it was going into like a cup or something. I'm using that for a pickleback. If you know, you know. I'm still no chaser, but I will use a pickleback. Okay, I feel like they could still be put back in the pickle. Good. I've created these pickle boats. This one I kind of accidentally see that. But, we're going to keep the faith. I'm going to just do that like that. Keep the faith. Now, I like tomatoes, but my mother does not. And I'm going to try to make this as cute as possible. And yes, I did clean my tomato. Okay. Let's see if I can make it. LeBron.
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James.
Make these thin slices. Because like I said, I like tomatoes, but it's not like the greatest thing in the world. I'm going to cut them in half and put them in. I'll let the broke one be the top boat. And I'll make the good one the bottom boat. Put me some already shredded lettuce because I can. I wonder if I should rinse these. Thoroughly washed. I'm still going to wash it myself. While I'm drying off the lettuce since I washed it, I am going to make some bacon for our sandwich. Turkey bacon. My bologna has a first name. It's Mayer. 4 pieces of bacon is a respectable amount. And while this is cooking, I'm going to go finish loading up our Picklewich. I'm just putting it on there. I really don't care about the order, so I'm not going to stress myself out about the order. Because we like vegetables. Bacon over here whooping my ass. Sometimes you got to hit back. Hey! I feel like I'm working at Mondo Burger.
Bun, patty, topping, sauce, assemble. Come here, little bun. Oh, beef patty. Okay, yeah. Oh, that's
So
nasty.
I got a couple types of meat. This meat looked good. It said chipotle seasoned chicken breast. And I'm going to mix it with this deli oven roasted turkey breast. I had a really dirty thought that I'm not going to say out loud. Fresh. Came right off the chicken. I'm from Ohio where we have chickens running down the street. This is the complicated part. How do I want to... You know what? Bam. Shred it. Bam. Bam. And da-da-da-da-da-da. Turkey. Yeah. In there. Okay. Oh, it's chicken. This is an interesting flavored chicken. Chipotle seasoning. It tastes like smoked paprika. I don't know if you know that flavor, but that's what it kind of makes me think of. Like they seasoned it with smoked paprika. Okay. That's that. Lord, I have a problem that only you can solve. So, Lord, Lord, do it for me. Yes, I wanted pepperonis on this. Turkey pepperonis. There's ghost pepper cheese, and I like spicy food, so I want to try this. See if it's too hot to put on my sandwich. It's not that bad. Not too hot. My mom wanted pepper jack. Hers is also thin. I wanted banana peppers. Get in here, get in here, get in here. All right, I ain't gonna overdo it. But you know banana peppers is good for you and it helps your hair grow. And it's actually healthy. Oh shoot, I almost forgot the bacon. I cut these pickles into small pieces. I could put it on top. I wanted my bacon crispy. That's not cute. Hold on. Hopefully this ain't making it more messy. The breakdown. Miracle Whip. If you know, you know. I like Miracle Whip. I'll put some of that inside the top bun. I seen Nathan, and I know he used to have them hot dogs. Well, I don't know him personally, but I know. Put it in this. Make sure. It's good. I approve. You've made it to the next level. Now, this is how I would make a real sandwich. So, judge your mama, not me. If you ain't putting chips on your sandwich, it's not a real deli sandwich, you know? I know it's all dry at the top, but... So, did I do everything I wanted to do? Yep. Put the top thing on there. Okay. And comment if y'all try making it. Or if you think it looks good. I'm going to take a bite and see for sure, but what you think? Please be good, please be good, please be good, please be good. I ever be making a cooking video and be like, please be good, please be good. Okay. Dang. Slippery when wet looking there. I'm going to take a good bite. It's all shooting out the side. Oh! Okay, can't tilt it like that. Not a good idea to tilt it in that way. Ruined it. It was cute before I touched it. All right. Just going to stuff it like that. And I'm going to bite the part where I scooped out too much pickle. Get over there. I thought I should have let it hang over. So anyways, this is messy. I don't got no Jimmy John's wrap. All I got is hands. Okay. I can't even taste the chips, honey. Got me some Miracle Whip to dip the sandwich in for my next bite. This time. Because it's just a little dry. Miracle Whip on the side. Sets it off. I better get y'all one of these.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's good.